Well, it's 2,000.
Negative Blue 44, Sooner Red, you're cleared to come out of the LZ.
Sooner Red.
After that, this Blue 44 will stay in a big one.
It's 2022, and Oshkosh's first day, first lift here from the LZ. Cooling up. We'll be doing a short pattern here very shortly.
White Blaze Rotorway is at the Oak Tree.
And White Place field's yours, and we've got Sooner Red coming out of the LZ.
Roger, I'll be looking. Rotorway Snoopy's at the Oak Tree.
Yeah, roger that, Snoop.
We'll wait for Snoopy to come out Sooner Red.
Roger that.
Head tower, Big Blues over the Oak.
And Blue 44, field's yours.
All right. They've shortened us back to the...
I'm going to come in and do a slow flight at coming into a hover, do a slow flight.
Roger that.
Hey, and did I hear short pattern?
Oh, we were doing the long pattern.
Oops.
No worries, come on in.
And tower, Rotorway, White Blaze is departing commander.
Yeah, White Blaze departing the pattern.
Sooner Red is at the Oak Tree.
Roger that, Sooner Red, field's yours.
Roger. Slow pass. So this is the pattern. I just passed over the Oak Tree, heading to the little pathway here. But you can't fly over the airplanes. Kind of tight, kind of silly if you ask me. But that's what they need to keep us with this opportunity. Right over the Ryan here. Keep the descent going. Make a pylon turn with the wires right there. And the runway's all mine.
And airball, Mosquito turbine at the LZ, ready to depart.
And Mosquito Turbine, you are clear to depart the LZ. We're doing north operations, long pattern.
North operations, long pattern. Copy.
And Blue 44 is going to depart the pattern to the southwest.
And you can see it right in front of me here, this
Blue
clear
44.
path.
Rotorway Snoopy's at the
It
Oak
gives
Tree.
us an opportunity to land if we need to.
And Snoopy, field's yours.
And most of the time they honor it. And just before we get to 41 here, we make a turn.
And loud and clear on that radio check.
And we fly along the highway. Don't cross
And
the
you got
highway.
rotorcraft, loud and clear.
Kind of zigzag our way around the power station.
Down where you have blue Rotorway at the LZ. I can.
Doing
Yeah,
about
blue
75
roadway, you were in the LZ. Got you loud and clear.
About 75 miles an hour.
Cleared to depart, LZ.
Yep, they're clear to depart. Blue roadway.
And this is road November over here. We stay inside that. Just outside that road, you'll have all your arrivals, your fixed wing arrivals, to the parallel runways coming from Fisk and Ripon area. So we can't cross that road. And right before we get to this house,
Blue Rotorway is joining the pattern.
Roger that, clear to join the pattern.
we make our left turn here. Head back to the north. Tree. We'll make a hover pause on the runway, maybe a pedal turn.
And the field's all yours, Sooner Red.
All yours. And we start descending and slowing.
Aircraft in the LZ are clear to depart.
Turbo Mosquitoes at the oak tree.
And third Mosquito, okay, you're at the oak tree. We've got a Sooner Red on the field.
I got eyes on. I'll do the same. I'll do the south end of the field, Jim, if you want to take the middle.
Roger that.
Great job, guys.
Rotorway should be at the oak tree.
Roger that. Sooner Red, we're going to have to depart you. You're getting jammed up here.
There we go.
Thank you much.
What the hell?
And third Mosquito, keep your speed up. You've got aircraft on your tail.
Jim, I'm dropping. All right. So I can follow you.
And Snoopy's got his eyes on that helicite, that Mosquito.
Thank you much, Snoopy. You're doing a great job.
Turbine roadway ready to lift off.
Roger that. And you're clear to Turbine Rotorway. You're clear to depart the LZ.
Blue Rotorway's turn for the oak tree.
Yeah, Blue Rotorway, field's yours.
Is the blue you, Brad?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, well, it's kind of a fun flyby. I didn't plan on doing a sideways waddle all the way down the field, but I could feel the winds on the tail rotor, and it was very dicey as far as how much control I had. But I'm going to go ahead and go back to the LZ and check over the aircraft real quick. Just make sure after assembly everything is good. Sooner Red's going to return to the LZ. White Rotorway is just turning left of the upstream.
Yeah, roger that.
Got overfly upfield.
You understand, Sooner Red's returning LZ.
Copy that. Sooner Red, going to LZ. And the field's all yours.
Mosquito turbine at the oak tree.
Roger that, Mosquito.
And mosquito turbine to a full stop over to the hub area.
And Mosquito Turbine, you are cleared to the hover area.
Rotorway, Snoopy's at the oak tree. We have the mosquito inside.
Yeah, roger that, Oak Tree, and he's going to be going to the play area.
Rotorway's going to go, Rotorway Snoopy's going to overfly the airport here.
Looking real good there, guys.
Oh, we got 2 airplanes stuck over here.